So you may have heard that Congress is thinking about bringing back 100% bonus depreciation. Last year we were slated for 80% bonus depreciation, and this year we are actually slated for 60% unless they make this change. So one of the common questions I get is, how do I calculate my depreciation in a year where bonus depreciation is 80% or even 60%? Let's look at an example. So the IRS allows you to claim depreciation on the wear and tear of an asset, and they give different lifespans. There's 5 years, 7 years, they even have 15-year property. There's also 27 and a half for your rentals, 39 for commercial. And depending on what your asset is, let's just say you bought this piece of machinery and it cost you $10,000. If this asset is a 5-year property, you would take $10,000, you divide it by 5 years, and you come out with a deduction of $2,000 per year. That is your depreciation using the straight line method. So now let's look at an example of how to calculate your depreciation in a year where there's bonus depreciation. Let's just say it's 80% this year, okay? So let's just take this same asset, $10,000. You get an immediate $8,000 deduction up front. Now that does leave you with a remaining amount of $2,000 left over. This $2,000 can then be depreciated over the remaining life of that asset, which is 5 years. Now if it's a 5-year asset, you can divide that by the depreciable life, and that gives you now a $400 deduction on top of that. So in a year with 80% bonus depreciation on a $10,000 asset, you would get an $8,400 deduction. That is high level how bonus depreciation works. Of course, I didn't account for maybe you place an asset in service halfway through the year. So high level, that's how bonus depreciation works. As you can see, this could be huge for business owners that may need to acquire more assets, or even real estate investors looking to acquire more property. What are your thoughts? Do you think we should have bonus depreciation reverted back to 100%?